Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It is time to imagine it. It's New Year's Eve still, but we want to be the first to wish you Happy New Year. Carl Nelson, the chief scientist with the Imagination Station, is here. Goggles on already. What's going on here?
We're going to talk about tempered glass. Okay. Right. This is glass that you might find in the side window of a vehicle.
Yeah.
So it's been heat treated. So the glass has been heated and then rapidly cooled. And what happens is the outer surface that rapidly cools forms like a shell, and the glass inside begins to slowly cool and contract, and putting a lot of stress on that outside layer. So it becomes very, very tough. Now I've put some tape on the outside of this just to make, because we're going to try to break it. If you're going to try to break it. Okay, so what I want you to do.
I don't know.
Yeah, why don't you? Yeah, I don't know why I put the glove on. You should do. Yeah. Okay, so what I want you to do is start tapping this and just see how much force it can take.
Okay.
In fact,
tapping.
Yeah. Here, you know what? Let me flip it over.
Got it. So that's pretty good. And
Keep going.
A heavy hammer.
Go.
Harder.
Harder. All right, that's why the goggles are on. So if the tape wasn't there, it would have flew everywhere. Now, what's interesting about that is it took quite a bit of force, and it shatters into these tiny little pieces. So if you were in a car accident, Charles II.
It looks more like a Dr. Seuss drop.
It does a little bit. Now, what's cool about this is I'm going to take that away from you because these can spontaneously explode.
What?
So go ahead and stick your hands inside our scorpion box here. What I'm going to do is so you're going to do the same thing you did here. I want you to put this inside and tap on the head while stabilizing the tail.
All right, so I'm supposed to grab it from you?
Yeah, but you know, if you snap the tail, the whole thing explodes.
Okay.
So we'll try that after you try tapping the head.
All right.
So if you can maneuver that down in there.
I didn't know this was going to happen.
Yeah, it's a dexterity sort of.
All right.
So get it down in there. I'll give you the hammer.
Okay. Now you want me to tap the head on this glass?
Put it on that piece of aluminum.
Aluminum?
Yep. Yeah, see, this is the tricky part.
Yeah, no kidding. The gloves only go so far, people.
Okay.
All right.
Good. All right, now give it a tap.
Okay,
just on the head. Yep.
Ready? 3, 2. What?
Okay, so now the trick is, can you get the glass away? Here we go. There we go. Pull it back towards you.
This is all part of the experimentation process. And in fact, this is a good time to mention that if you want to come down here and experiment for yourself, you can do so. We're at One Discovery Way, downtown. What? Well, you did what? I got it. And
really, really hard.
Yeah, just take a look at your screen there. And they're open. You're open on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day.
Yes.
So, and Monday as well, which is also different. So you've got the time off with the kids. Come on back here. We're going to hit it. You want me to hit it hard this time?
Hit it hard. Hit it hard.
All right.
It's not going to break, but if you can take this one, because I know that one flew away from you, take this one and just, once I close this, drop the hammer, snap the tail off of it.
Drop the hammer and snap the tail.
Yeah, just try to bend the tail.
Okay.
But let us see the head. Show the camera the head.
Okay, ready?
Snap the tail.
3, 2.
Snap it.
Is this for real?
Snap it. Snap it.
Snap into a Slim Jim.
Come on. There we go.
Whoa!
All that stress was released, and the whole thing just turns into a powdered glass. And back in the 1600s, these were like party favors. People would pass these around. Everybody knew about them, and they would like break them into little shards of glass. The shards are not very sharp, so.
It's very bizarre fun.
We got
the 1600s.
Really cool high-speed video of this on our Facebook page right now. If you go check it out, you can see how that happens in super high speed.
I'll save the other one for you. All right.
Thanks
very much, Carl. Happy New Year once again, and that's how you imagine it.